Assalamu alaikum and a warm welcome to all our listeners of Parvaz. Today our studio is filled with pride, hope and deep reflection as we gather to honor a moment's occasion, Independence Day. Independence Day is a far more than a date on a calendar. It's dignity in our stride and a freedom in our breath. As Allama Iqbal wrote, in inspire self-respect and sovereign pride. आसमां तेरा हो खुर्शीद तेरा हो आसमां तेरा हो खुर्शीद तेरा हो जहां तेरा हो ये जहां तेरा हो. Joining me today are three bright minds to explore what freedom means to our past, our present and our future. Let's start with Aisha. Aisha, when we speak of independence, what is the true historical weight behind this word?
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. When we say independence, we are speaking of a gift brought with supreme sacrifice. It's a day a nation broke the chains of war and subjugation to claim its sovereign right to self-determination. We must never forget that the flag of freedom flies high because of the selfless struggle of countless martyrs, scholars and ordinary citizens who gave up their today so we could have our tomorrow. इकबाल ब्यूटिफुली रिमाइंड्स अस ऑफ द रेजिलेंस बॉर्न फ्रॉम सेक्रीफाइस. खून से अपने सींच के हमने इस मिट्टी को पाला है कि खून से अपने सींच के हमने इस मिट्टी को पाला है. ये आजादी यूं ही नहीं मिली, ये दी बहुत मतवाला है.
The cost was truly immense, but Hidana, as a young citizen living in a free nation today, how should we view this inheritance? Is political freedom alone in the 21st century?
That is the core question. Inheriting freedom is a privilege, but preserving it requires constant effort. Our forefathers freed the land, now our generation must free the minds. True independence means intellectual, economic and moral self-reliance. It means building strong character, fighting ignorance and serving our society with complete honesty. As the famous proverb reminds us, as the upbringing is, so is the personality, and as the character of its people is, so is the nation. If a student studies with integrity, respects others and works for the public good, that's the real patriotism in action.
Brilliantly stated, patriotism is a daily responsibility, not just a one-day celebration. Turning to our global presence, Aisha Jahangir, what is the universal message our independent nation sends to the international community on this day?
Our message rests on three fundamental pillars. 1. A message of hope for the oppressed. To every nation struggling for justice across the globe, our freedom proves that no occupation or tyranny lasts forever. Justice ultimately prevails. 2. A commitment to peace and equality. Independence Day does not mean isolation. We stand as an equal, responsible partner in the global community to champion human dignity, justice, and peace. Unity in diversity. We demonstrate that difference in religion, culture, or language do not divide us, but make us stronger when united one shared banner.
I agree completely, and it highlights how vital it's for our youth to aim and hold on to high principle. Allama Iqbal spoke directly to the youth when he wrote, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, कि नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में. He calls the youth Shaheen Falcons because true independence demands that we rise above selfishness, narrow and fear.
That high aspiring spirit is exactly what we need today. Whether we become teachers, scientists, doctors or community leaders, our goal must be to uplift our nation and serve humanity. And to prove to the world that a nation grounded in truth, justice and compassion will stand firm against any storm.
What an insightful and inspiring decision. Today we are reminded that freedom is both our past and an active promise to our future. Let's promise to hold this light high through our character, education and unity. Thank you to all my wonderful panelists and thank you to everyone listening to Parvaz. Allah Hafiz and Happy Independence Day to all.